This is the Anti-Sleep Pilot. It's a new application we have launched this week. It will help drivers not fall asleep. It's about preventing drowsy driving, fatigue driving accidents. The main focus is to get the drivers to take a break before they get into the dangerous zone. And the first thing, we worked together with sleep scientists for 4 years developing a physical product, and now we have the application. The first thing you should do when you start using the application is to find your personal risk profile. So you answer 12 simple questions, and that is your personal risk profile. For example, do you have untreated sleep disorders? Are you taking medicine that can make you drowsy? So you have your personal risk profile, and then before you start driving, it's difficult to do, then you should also consider how you feel today. What is your fitness to drive? You can very quickly indicate this here. For example, little tired. Or you can answer 8 questions, simple questions that has to do with how your last couple of days, how they have been. Have you slept normal, or have you had very little sleep, etc. So you answer these questions, or you just indicate it on this wheel. And then you're ready to go. Then when you start driving, the application will detect it automatically. It will then start calculating your fatigue level based on your risk profile and how you feel today. And then a number of parameters like time of day, how long have you been driving today, how long since last break, and other information. And then during the drive it will inform you about your fatigue level as it rises up. And when it reaches the top, it will then signal to you with a red screen that you should take a break. I can, if I can change to this. We also have an alertness maintaining test. So during the drive, with certain intervals, the driver will be asked to touch the screen with a light, this screen and a sound, and the driver touches the screen briefly, and the purpose of this is to break the monotony of driving.
Okay.
But also, remind you about your fatigue level, and we use the reaction time also in the algorithm. So if you're very slow a number of times, you will get a break earlier than normal. So this is the signal when you are going to take a break. We will inform you with this screen and a sound. Then when you stop the car, it will automatically detect it, and it will show this green screen, help you keep track on your break. 10 minutes is the minimum, the scientist says. And then after this you can drive again. We have some extra features, statistics about your drive, how you perform on the alertness test where you are supposed to touch the screen. We also present, this is a wheel, you can see your fatigue level, there's information about your drive fatigue. We show you an approximate range based on your average speed, so you can consider, if you're going south here, where to take a break. And then we have also, you can control your music, but that's a minor thing.
Which platforms is it available for?
It's available right now for the iPhone, for 3GS and 4G, and iPad with 3G. And then in a few months we'll have the Android version.
Could you see this being used in conjunction with Google Maps or with any TomTom navigation?
Exactly. Yeah, we are already thinking about it, adding information here. If we know where the drivers are going, we can give more information about when they could take a break. We can can add a lot of information with the maps.
And the price point?
The price point right now is €16.
Okay, thank you.